Hi friends, so we look at similarity and congruency. So this is the new topic where we are going to look at shapes which are similar, because similarity means having corresponding angles of the same size and the sides are in the same ratio. So this means that under similarity and congruence, we are going to concentrate on things to do with ratios. Okay, so under this topic, we are going to look at application of ratio and proportional. Then we will also look at area and volume of similar figures. So in this video, let us look at the ratio itself. We are told that a ratio is used to compare the sizes of two or more quantities. So ratios are written with a colon. When talk of a colon, we have learned about colon before, and colon is one of the punctuation marks when you are looking at English. So that one is known as a full colon. We have got a semicolon. Ratios are written with a colon or with colon. So ratios are not only written with a colon, ratios can also be written in a form of, by using the word to. We can have a quantity here, we are comparing it to another quantity. Or we can also use what is commonly known as over, or a division sign. We can compare a quantity on top to another quantity which is in a form of a fraction. So that is what ratios are. Now in this video, I also want us to look at how to deal with the quantities or the units. We are told that 1 centimeter, there are 10 millimeters in 1 centimeter. Then the other point which we should note as we continue in our lesson is that to every 1 meter, there are 100 centimeters. 100 centimeters make up 1 meter. This tells us to say, if in 1 centimeter there are 10 millimeters, so this means that in 1 meter, it will mean that there are 1000 millimeters, because we just multiply this 100 centimeters multiplied by 10 millimeters to form 1 meters. So in 1 meter, there are 100 millimeters. The other important point we should note is that 1 kilometer, the word kilo means 1000. This means that to every 1 kilometers, there is 1000. There are 1000 meters. If there are 1000 meters, which makes 1 kilometer, this means that there are 100,000, which forms 1 kilometer. 100,000 centimeters, which forms 1 kilometer. Why? We just multiply this 1000 multiplied by 100 centimeters to make 1 kilometer, or to make 100,000 centimeters, which makes 1 kilometer. Now, this can also mean that there are 1 million millimeters, which forms 1 kilometer. 1 million millimeters to form 1 kilometer. How? We have multiplied this 100,000 centimeters multiplied by 10 millimeters to form 1 million millimeters, which forms what? 1 kilometer. So, in this lesson or our next lesson, we are going to concentrate on looking at scales on maps and planes. We are going to compare the quantities from the map to the plane. Rather, we are talking about the land itself, the actual land, okay, actual land. We are comparing actual land or the length on the actual land to the length on the map. This is what we are going to look at in our next video. As of now, we end here. Thank you so much.